Chief Minister N. Biren today distributed benefits worth more than 300 crore rupees to more than 4 lakh beneficiaries across the state as part of the continuous efforts to uplift various sections of society. Chief Minister also launched 46 new government schemes during a program that was held at City Convention Center in Palace Compound today. Cabinet ministers, MLAs, officials from police and other officials from various departments attended the program. A total of 92 selected beneficiaries, including those from relief camps, were distributed benefits for 8 schemes. An amount of 25,000 rupees each have been distributed through direct benefit transfer to 6,000 families in relief camps. During the program, an amount of 20 crore rupees was allocated for the first phase in order to provide secure homes for 736 homeless families. Speaking in the program, Chief Minister N. Biren asserted that Indian government will not do anything that will compromise the territorial integrity of Manipur. While expressing disappointment over people of Manipur for voting in favor of a political party that he claims to be against implementation of NRC in Manipur, Chief Minister N. Biren said BJP government has done so much for the development of this state. He said 3 RCC bridges were constructed along Imphal-Jiribam National Highway. Government has initiated the process to construct concrete roads through project worth 4,000 crore. A total of 36 crore rupees is being allocated as special package for families in relief camps. Chief Minister N. Biren also maintained that government will be constituting a subcommittee to oversee the education for displaced children and to ensure that they are given free education in government schools and with subsidized fees in private schools.
Irom Shamila na say tara Maria Ampose special power ko on a kido. Kauthokre. I the government gi warate amagi warate. Irom Shamila gumba ishan nu PM gi dam tadi bai koi magi murti khillag thambi be abne opinion no. Murti khillag. Man horido khogi against over be but Ampose special power ekta. I government also support. Adu Robin Hood inner line permit ki dam. Ado inner line permit ti ngasi tanaru busu tawde rally to busu tawde hunger strike to busu tawde Prime Minister Modi ji ne pirakreba ada hada bhotana NRC sanaba yaro yavel the vote bithokre ko aina labra mina labra khumde ko ai interpretation ni wani agoi praja su sawbudu kitang thumandro haibani daina haibadi kuki MP gi statement ama thorokhe budo ai matwa so moine na kali NRC gi demand moi yani ado moi Supreme Court ki monitor to what hai adudi yes core issues NRC to budu moina yaradi loiri ne NRC to budu yaradi Supreme Court to gera ministry na to gera koi kanana to gi madi potu agi level na e wori sargala but NRC to wire yana gi the stage na gadi why kari gino pena proja wan ne doise ai koi level da wori sasi thopiro ai want to phat intention like ai dis sumna gi truck thimu bune sumna gi popi thabya ya ro bune sumna gi jungle ko no haro bune sumna gi mapa gi I had a meet to push no haro bune nothing else I want the ill feelings ka shulai no sandi pormi no ta sigi haro posi am afava khongthang amane logi adu gai khoi Manipur gi lai majority community adu ba mahoro ni lai praja jin so masi welcome to thoi ai na I did my name thamjali ni me